In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate QuickBooks Time with QuickBooks Online using your browser. By the end, your timesheets, team members, and customers will flow smoothly between the two, saving you time and reducing duplicate data entry. Start by opening your preferred browser and signing in to your QuickBooks Time account. Make sure you're using a profile with the right permissions. Having admin access in both QuickBooks Time and QuickBooks Online will make this process seamless. Once you're in QuickBooks Time, look to the left-hand navigation and click Feature Add-ons. This is where integrations and connected tools live. Scroll down until you find QuickBooks Online integration. When you see it, click the Preferences button next to it. Preferences is where you'll set exactly what moves between the two systems. You'll now be prompted to log in to your QuickBooks Online account. Enter your credentials, and if you manage multiple companies under your account, select the specific company you want to sync with QuickBooks Time. Take a moment here to confirm you're choosing the correct company file, especially if you work with more than one. Before you connect, review the sync options presented. You can import team members, customers, classes, and service items from QuickBooks Online into QuickBooks Time, which helps ensure your time entries are categorized correctly from day one. You can also export timesheets and customers from QuickBooks Time to QuickBooks Online. Exporting timesheets means approved time will appear in QuickBooks Online for payroll and invoicing, while exporting customers can help keep your customer list in sync if you create them in QuickBooks Time. Choose what fits your workflow. You can adjust these preferences later if your needs change. When you're ready, click Authorize or Allow to grant QuickBooks Time access to your QuickBooks Online company. This permission is required so the two systems can talk to each other securely and keep your data consistent. Give the connection a moment to process. You'll see a confirmation from QuickBooks Time once everything is linked. Keep the browser tab open until you receive that confirmation to avoid interrupting the setup. After the connection is confirmed, approved time entries, employees, and customers will sync automatically to QuickBooks Online. Approved simply means the time entries have been reviewed and marked as ready in QuickBooks Time. From there, the data will be available in QuickBooks Online to help you run payroll or create invoices with confidence. That's it. Your integration is live and working. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.